All right, guys, I got some questions. So I went ahead and surfaced my table, so I know that this part right here is, parallel, of course. But what I noticed is when I put new wood on here, I always see light under here, right? So that tells me my table's actually bowed a little bit. So I'm wondering if these bars, I mean, they're 1 inch thick solid steel, but I'm wondering if they're bowed just ever so slightly, maybe because my gantry is so heavy. I'm not sure, but it seems like out here it's kind of like flat, and then here it dips a little bit and then it goes back out. So every time I put on a piece of wood, like even if I take a micrometer and make sure this is exactly 3/4 and this is 3/4, so we know that the whole thing is 3/4, it'll still like come out not touching, and then it'll engrave like, I don't know, 1/16 and then back out. So I wonder if anybody has had that issue, or are these bowing, or are they bowed from the factory? So maybe just replacing these. So if you guys have some advice, I would really like some help.